So second question, we've got 7 green, 3 yellow balls in the bag. Taking one at random, and it is not replaced. So our probabilities between our first pick and our second pick are going to be different. So let's start off. If we pick a green first, probability is going to be 7 out of the total is 10. If we do pick one out and we're not replacing it, we're going to have a bag which has 1 less green and 1 less in total. And then for the yellow, it stays the same, but we've got 1 less in total. Go back to the beginning. Imagine we have not taken anything out, and we're going to take a yellow. So 3 out of 10. And then we're going to, if we take it out, we don't replace it, we're going to have 1 less yellow out of 1 less in total. And we're going to have the same amount of greens. And then we can just double check each of these. So do these add together equal 1? Yes. Do these equal 1? Yes. Do these equal 1? Yes. So I'm going to go through each possibility. Green, then green. I'm going to have 7 over 10 multiplied by 6 over 9. So 6 sevens is 42 over 90. I can then have green, yellow. So green and then yellow, 7 out of 10 times 3 out of 9. So 21 over 90. For yellow, green, I'm going to end up with the same thing, just the numbers are switched around. So it's 3 out of 10 times 7 out of 9. So again, 21 out of 90. And then the last one, yellow, yellow, got 3 out of 10 times by 2 out of 9. So 3 times 2 is 6 out of 90. And then I'm just going to check these as well. So all of these added together should equal to 1. So all the numbers on top should add together to equal 90. So 42 plus 21 plus 21 is 42. So 42 plus 42 is going to give me 84. 84 plus 6 is 90. So I know that I've done the right things. Last question says, what's the probability that both balls are different colors? So I could either have both balls are different colors. I could have this one, green, yellow, or I could have yellow, green. So now I just have to say it could be green, yellow, or yellow, green. So I'm going to add them together. Which is going to give me 42 out of 90. Could be that question asks me to simplify this probability, in which case I would. Last of these 3 questions, I've got Hannah. She's going to play 1 badminton match, 1 tennis match. Probability she wins a badminton match is 9 out of 10. Probability that she wins tennis is 2 out of 5. And I'm going to complete the tree diagram as well. So first thing I need to know here is that these 2 things are going to add up to 1. So I've got 9 tenths here. I'm going to have 1 out of 10. And then 2/5 she wins, so it has to be 3/5 that she loses. And again, 2/5 that she wins, 3/5 that she loses. And then asks us work out the probability that Hannah will win both matches. So to win both, she has to win the badminton and then win the tennis. So win, win. And that's wins the badminton and wins the tennis. So we're going to have 9 tenths multiplied by 2/5. So 9 times 2 is 18. And 5 times 7 is 50. And that's all I need to do for that question. So that's the end of everything I need to do for this. Please do look at the nuggets on Centric Tech for this. I'm also going to post an on maths. It's a quiz that marks itself. I'd like you to have a go at. You can go on YouTube. UK Maths Teacher has some quite nice videos about tree diagrams, and also the Maths Genie revision section has some nice videos on tree diagrams.